earbuds is not as simple as it looks. With so many options available under 1,500 rupees, every brand promises powerful bass, long battery life, and clear calls. But many buyers end up disappointed after purchasing. That is why choosing the right earbuds matters. A smart purchase saves money and avoids regret. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Realme Buds T200 Lite to see if they are actually worth your money. Many people either overpay for popular brands or buy very cheap earbuds that fail in daily use. Good budget earbuds should focus on sound quality, comfort, and battery life. Let's see how the Realme Buds T200 Lite perform in real-life usage. Let's begin with the unboxing experience. The packaging of the Realme Buds T200 Lite is simple and minimal. Inside the box, you get the charging case with the earbuds, a charging cable, and basic documentation. Everything required to get started is included. The charging case is compact and lightweight. It easily fits into your pocket or backpack, making it convenient for students and daily commuters. The build feels practical for everyday use. The earbuds follow a clean and simple design. They are not flashy, but they are designed for comfort. The lightweight build makes them suitable for long usage. Comfort plays a very important role in wireless earbuds. The Realme Buds T200 Lite sit comfortably in the ears and do not cause discomfort over long hours. They work well for online classes, travel, and daily listening. Now let's talk about sound quality. For this price range, the sound is well balanced. The bass is punchy but controlled. Vocals are clear and easy to understand. For watching YouTube videos, listening to music, and streaming content, these earbuds perform consistently well. They are not premium earbuds, but for everyday use, the sound quality is satisfying. Battery life is one of the biggest highlights. With normal daily usage, the Realme Buds T200 Lite can last for multiple days without frequent charging. Call quality is reliable for the price. Online classes, office meetings, and regular phone calls sound clear enough for daily communication. Background noise handling is decent for a budget product. So who should buy the Realme Buds T200 Lite? These earbuds are perfect for students, office users, and anyone needing daily use wireless earbuds. If you want good sound, comfort, and strong battery life without spending extra money, this is a smart choice. Now for the final verdict. The Realme Buds T200 Lite focus on value rather than hype. They deliver balanced sound, comfortable design, and reliable battery life at an affordable price. If you are looking for budget wireless earbuds under 1,500 rupees, the Realme Buds T200 Lite are definitely worth considering. The best buying link is available in the description below. For those seeking an affordable, reliable, and comfortable pair of earbuds for daily use, these are a strong contender. Remember, a smart purchase can make all the difference in your everyday tech.